welcome to Closest Thing to Home. And thanks for coming out on a Wednesday night. There are people here. I'm gonna try to tell a couple of stories and tell you a little bit about what's behind the music. It's coming from different musicals over time, but all kind of speaking the same language together. It's really special to get to play this music with this group of people, so it gives a whole new meaning when I sing these songs. The closest thing to life, the closest thing to home. You're the closest thing to